Hello and welcome to MC Academy. This is Zahra and today we're going to be making an origami heart. And so let's get started. So first we're going to be folding the piece of paper like this. And then unfolding it and folding it like this. And then we're going to be unfolding it again. And then folding it like this. After that, we're going to be taking this flap and folding it right in the center of the other flap. And then we're going to be taking this and folding it like this. And then doing that same thing with the other one. And then we're going to be flipping it over like this. And then tucking these little guys right here. After that, we're going to be folding this like this, and this one like this too. And there you have it. You made your very own heart. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family.